Hello and welcome. This is a drink called How Make Carbonated Pure Peppermint Tea. First thing you gotta do is you open up this wrapper of pure peppermint tea and you put the tea bag into this mug. And then you pour in the water, boiling hot, going like this, and last but not least, you open up this can of club soda and you pour into the mug. A little more would do a trick. And there you go, folks. Here is your carbonated pure peppermint tea. Enjoy, folks, and thank you for watching.